Okay, this is the vocabulary from Unit 7, Prepositions. Focusing mostly on pronunciation, but a few also, other tips. À côté de. Keep in mind there's 3 accents on that one, and remember that prepositions are divided into those that are followed by de and those that aren't. I find it easier to just remember the ones that aren't. I think there's only 6 or 7, and then just assume that the rest are. But I've tried to put de after the ones that have de, so you'll know. Avec. Dans. No S, and the N just makes it nasal, so it's dans. Derrière. Don't forget the accents on that one. 2 R's first and then 1 R second. Devant. Again, no T and no N. The N just makes the vowel nasal. En bas. En face de. En haut de. Entre. Près de. Don't forget the accents. Loin de. Remember OI says wa. Loin de. Sous. Sur. That has a really tight U. À gauche de. Accent. À droite de. You say the T because there's an E on the end of droite. À droite de. En dessous de. Au-dessus de. Those ones are worth repeating. So this under, below, is en dessous. Ooh, a really loose ooh. Above is au-dessus de. So the beginning word is different, and the U and the end is really tight. À l'intérieur de. 2 accents there. Excuse me. And remember that the up and away says A. So it's à l'intérieur de. En dehors de. And that one you can sometimes just say dehors de. They don't always use the en. A couple of reminders. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. If it's the name of a city, you use à. J'habite à Wellsville. If it's general information, like do you live in a house? Do you live in an apartment? Do you live in a big city? Do you live in the country? All of the other ones are going to be j'habite dans. So j'habite à plus the name, j'habite dans plus other information. If you're talking about floors, the word for floor is étage, and you don't use, in English you use on, in French you use at. So it's au deuxième étage, au troisième étage. And that's it.